In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check your YouTube CPM, so let's just get straight into it. The first step you want to do is go to youtube.com, and then once you're on the homepage of YouTube, you can see your profile icon at the top right of the screen. If you go ahead and tap on your profile icon, it's going to load up a whole bunch of options. Then you want to click on YouTube Studio. It's the third option from the top there. Click on YouTube Studio, and then you'll be loaded up into the dashboard of your YouTube Studio. Now, this is one of my other channels that is monetized, so I can actually show you the CPM and how to check that. So all you would need to do from here is go onto the left hand panel and then click on Analytics. And then once you're on your Analytics page, you can see a whole bunch of options at the top. It says Overview, Reach, Engagement, and so on. And then the last option there is Revenue. Click on Revenue, and now you can see your estimated revenue, your RPM, and then your playback based CPM. So you can see your CPM there, which is the last number that you see on this page. So for my channel, it is a CPM of $9.13, and that is basically how much I would earn per 1,000 views before YouTube takes its cut. And then the RPM would be after YouTube takes its cut and some other things taken into consideration. So this is how you check your CPM on this page. I'll just go over that again. You go onto your analytics in the left hand panel, then you click on revenue, and then you can see your playback based CPM over here. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.